Hey, this is Barry. Welcome to Mavin App, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor text and category and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Mavin access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it.